Replacing or installing new windows in your Clermont home is one of the best ways to improve energy efficiency, comfort, and curb appeal. But when it comes to the installation itself, many homeowners wonder, should I hire a professional, or can I handle it myself? While DIY projects can be rewarding, window installation is a task where the stakes are high. A poorly installed window can lead to drafts, leaks, and costly repairs down the road. To help you make the best decision, here's a clear breakdown of professional versus DIY window installation in Clermont. Upfront costs versus long-term savings. One of the biggest reasons homeowners consider DIY installation is to save money. DIY approach. You may save on labor costs, but you'll need to purchase specialized tools, materials, and possibly rent equipment. Mistakes can also lead to wasted money if a window needs to be reinstalled or replaced. Professional installation. While the upfront cost is higher, professionals bring the tools, experience, and warranty-backed results that protect your investment. In Clermont's hot, humid climate, proper sealing and insulation are critical for long-term energy savings. When weighing costs, remember that professional installation often pays for itself through fewer repairs and lower energy bills. Skill and expertise. Window installation is more complex than it may seem. DIY challenges. Homeowners must measure precisely, handle heavy windows, and ensure a tight fit. Even a small mistake can cause air leaks, water intrusion, or structural issues. Professional knowledge. Experienced installers know how to work with different window types, materials, and home structures. They're trained to address unexpected issues, such as warped frames or hidden water damage. In Clermont, where weather conditions can stress windows, professional expertise ensures your windows are installed to perform at their best. Time and effort. Installing a window takes more time and energy than most homeowners expect. DIY installation. A first-time installer might spend hours, or even days, removing old windows, prepping the space, and fitting the new ones. If issues arise, the project can stretch out even longer. Professional crews. With training and experience, professionals can replace multiple windows in a single day. Their efficiency means less disruption to your home and schedule. For busy Clermont homeowners, the convenience of professional installation often outweighs the effort of tackling it alone. Energy efficiency and comfort. A key reason for replacing windows is to improve energy efficiency. But if the installation isn't airtight, even the most advanced windows won't perform properly. DIY risk. Misaligned frames or poor sealing can let in drafts and humidity, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Professional assurance. Installers use advanced techniques and weatherproofing materials to ensure a snug fit that maximizes insulation. In Clermont's climate, where both heat and humidity can drive up utility bills, professional installation ensures your windows deliver the efficiency you paid for. Warranty and peace of mind. Another big difference between professional and DIY installation is warranty protection. DIY limitations. Many manufacturers won't honor product warranties if windows aren't professionally installed. Any issues that arise are solely your responsibility. Professional coverage. Reputable installers offer both manufacturer warranties and workmanship guarantees, giving you peace of mind that problems will be addressed at no extra cost. This added security makes professional installation a safer long-term choice. Final thoughts for Clermont homeowners. The decision between professional versus DIY window installation comes down to balancing cost, skill, and long-term performance. While DIY may seem appealing for budget reasons, the risks of improper installation, drafts, water damage, higher utility bills, and voided warranties often outweigh the savings. Professional installation ensures your windows are fitted, sealed, and insulated correctly, delivering the comfort, efficiency, and durability your home deserves. In the end, hiring experts not only protects your investment but also gives you confidence that your windows are ready to handle Clermont's hot summers, heavy rains, and seasonal humidity.